What if I told you the difference between staying broke and becoming wealthy is not luck? It's the next 10,000 rupees you handle. You and I know this moment. You open your phone and suddenly everyone is rich, except you. Your salary ends before the month ends and savings disappear like magic. The painful truth? Most people never get rich, not because money is hard to make, but because money is easy to waste. That 300 rupee coffee, that 900 rupee delivery, those subscriptions you forgot to cancel. They're all tiny leaks in a sinking boat. Saving feels impossible, investing feels confusing, and growing money feels like a fantasy. You start believing wealth is only for the lucky, for the privileged, not for people like us. But here's the truth nobody told you. Wealth starts with small amounts handled correctly, not with huge salaries. That 10,000 rupees you have right now can be the seed that turns into 10 lakh rupees if you stop treating money emotionally. Most people multiply problems. The rich multiply money. Same amount, different mindset. You don't become rich by choosing the perfect investment. You become rich by choosing any investment and staying consistent. The hidden truth? 10,000 rupees invested monthly can become more than a crore. But 10,000 rupees wasted monthly becomes lifelong regret. Your relationship with money is emotional, and emotions destroy wealth faster than the market ever will. Step 1. Remove temptations. Your environment creates your spending habits. Step 2. Write your money. If you don't track it, you lose it. The fastest way to turn 10,000 rupees into 10 lakh rupees? Invest it in a skill that multiplies your income. A camera, a course, a certification. These are seeds. Money grows only when planted. One of my friends invested 12,000 rupees in a skill. Today he earns 1,50,000 rupees a month. No magic, just learning. Goals without deadlines are just dreams. Break your 10 lakh rupees journey into months. You don't need discipline. You need automation. If you can control your impulses, you can control your wealth. The biggest fear? Regret at 60. Not starting early is more expensive than any investment risk. Wealth requires energy. Your mental and physical health are part of your financial journey. You don't build wealth during work hours. You build wealth after work hours. The price of saying no today becomes the reward you enjoy tomorrow. And slowly, quietly, wealth starts growing. One day, your 10,000 rupees won't look small anymore. We don't stay broke because money is hard. We stay broke because discipline is hard. But the moment you decide to learn, invest, grow, and stay consistent, everything changes. Moral: money doesn't grow fast. You grow fast. And when you grow, your money follows. Your first 10,000 rupees is not small. It's your first step towards freedom. If this opened your eyes, you're already ahead of most people. Subscribe for more real, practical truths. And please do like, share, and comment.